When them see the lyrics can.
Hey guys, welcome back to For the Love of Decor and More. My name is Robin, and on this channel I give decorating, DIY, and cleaning motivation. I also do reviews on this channel. Today I am giving my formal living room / dining room a little bit of a spring refresh, going in with a really pretty pop of color of this really pretty kind of magenta mauve color throughout the space. And as you can see, my base tones are like beige and neutral tones, but I wanted to bring in some black in this space. I've been really missing the color black in my decor pieces, so I did make it a point to bring in some black items. This little console table here was a steal. I picked it up over at Ross. It's a really nice console table, and I'm using that black lamp that you see there. I am now wiping down my table just to give it a nice clean fresh look before styling it. Again, I did bring in some black in this space as well with this new coffee table, as well as some of those wall pieces over to the right in the corner. Those are two pieces that I've already had, just move them around the house, and also those paintings on the wall. So again, I wanted to mix my neutrals with a pop of spring, beautiful vibrant color, along with a little bit of black. So I am going to go ahead and decorate the space. If you haven't already, please do like the video, hit the subscribe button. I'd love for you to follow me to get some great decorating tips, and just to, you know, comment, get some dialogue going, and also just to have the support. So please just sit back and enjoy the video, and stay tuned at the end for final pictures of the new look.
I've heard it all. Our conversations got me feeling I'm the fool. Like I should've listened when they said that you would treat me like he did.
Said I did it all. Situation makes me feel I'm not a man at all. Swore I've been there, swore that I catch you fall. I guess I couldn't handle it. Oh. And I know you're probably thinking I ain't worth shit, but I never want anyone to bring you any harm. And I take it all back just to have you in my arms. And I know for a fact who you are into the heart.
Don't think you care about me, but you don't care about nobody. Don't think you care about me, but you don't care about nobody.
Wish I had time to run to you, not run your life. Never wrong you twice. I want
Having shelving on the wall is a key part of decorating. It gives you the ability to stack vases, little statues, and things like that to add some decor to the space. So these were a really good find I found at Ross, and they come in handy so that I can go for that look. These pillow covers I did pick up from Amazon. Love the fringe on them. They're like a velvet material. They are a 24 by 24 pillow cover with a 22 by 22 insert.
but I never want anyone to bring you any harm. And I take it all back just to have you in my arms. And I know for a fact who you are into the heart.
Don't think you care about me, but you don't care about nobody. Don't think you care about me,
Okay, so we've got to address the elephant in the room, which is the wallpaper on the wall, which is half done. You guys, I ordered this really pretty wallpaper from Amazon, and it was not enough to cover this wall. I did overlook the measurements, and that was all that I could fit out of 3 rolls. I was so disappointed, but I love the way it looks, so I can't wait to finish that wall. I did want to put some decor on the dining room table, so I just said, what the heck, you know, this is a transparent channel. I'm going to just go ahead and show it. So I'm just going to go ahead and style the buffet. Just don't pay any mind to the wall being half done. I will show the finished look once I order some more of this wallpaper. And of course, everything in this video that I have links for will be linked in the description box. So here is the finished space. I love the way everything turned out. Everything is flowing really nice. I did begin this video as the sun was setting, hoping to get some good lighting, but it ended up being dark outside, but that's okay. So I am just giving you a view of the great room, and basically this is one open space, formal living and formal dining room, and I love the pop of color. Definitely bringing in spring. Have my little spring pillow from Target on the couch there. My little bunnies. You can't bring in spring without the bunnies hopping around the space. I did pick up those bunnies from Home Goods last year, and they are really, really pretty grass material. So super cute. And just adding that pop of green is also giving the look of spring. Everything's blooming during that time. I love these peonies I picked up over at Amazon as well some years back. They are definitely a go-to. Very sturdy, very lush and luxe. For them to be artificial, they look really, really real, rich colors. Love the way this little space turned out over here in this little cutout area in the formal. Picture of me and the hubby and these super cute carrots I picked up over at Target. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. At the end, I will have some photos of the space as well. Please like the video, share it, and I'll see you on the next.
Bye.